Super tips to start a garden. Gardening has become a popular hobby in many parts of the world. This outdoor activity will give us beautiful plants, pleasant-smelling flowers and fresh fruits and vegetables. Maintaining an outdoor garden gives you the opportunity to get outside for an enjoyable activity and also to get some sunshine. It is more fun when you have one or more family members sharing the same interest. If space permits, you could have a beautiful flower garden in front of the house and a vegetable garden at the back. More and more people are moving towards creating home vegetable gardens so that they can enjoy farm-fresh fruits and vegetables and avoid the mostly pesticide-laden produce that they get from the market. Springtime comes, and with it comes the time to plant your garden. You could easily spend a fortune every year in maintaining a garden. So, if you are new to gardening, do read up on the best practices for maintaining a beautiful garden before you start one. You can get gardening advice from several sources. In fact, you can get gardening advice from another gardener, from a gardening catalog, gardening books, magazines and even on the internet. Consider the following before you start an outdoor garden. Number 1. Locate the ideal spot for your garden. Number 2. You should be physically fit and also passionate about gardening, as it would involve a lot of work, and you will need to put time aside to maintain your garden. Number 3. Assemble the required gardening tools. Number 4. Decide on the type of garden that you are planning to make. Whether it is going to be a flower, vegetable, fruits, herbs garden or a combination of some of these. Number 5. Learn about soil, watering techniques and organic fertilizers. Number 6. Decide on the type of plants that you are going to use, as you will get seasonal and also all around the year varieties. Number 7. Collect information about pest control, which can be in the form of slugs, snails, green aphids, leaf-eating creatures, fungus, etc. Pest control must be done with utmost consideration to safety, in terms of plants, animals and humans. This holds especially true for those with vegetable and organic gardens. Number 8. You would need to look out for sprouting weeds and remove them regularly, as otherwise, they will deplete the soil of nutrients meant for your plants. Number 9. If your home is in an open area, you need to consider putting up a fence of around 3 feet height around your garden to keep small animals out, and a higher one, if your area is prone to visits from bigger animals. Number 10. To make your garden look attractive, you should plan its layout well. To do that, it is best if you come up with a sketch that represents your garden. When that is done, you would be able to properly determine what goes where, which can make your garden not just attractive, but easy to work with as well. It also helps in creating a healthy body, mind, and environment too. Your garden can be your private haven for relaxation when you are not working on it. A breath of fresh air, the mild scent of the blooming flowers and all the greens around can actually be extremely calming for your mind and body. Enjoy some family time by having breakfast with your family in your garden. The benefits of gardening as a hobby can be high, after all the effort that you have put in. There's so much more that you can learn and create with your gardening skills than you can imagine. Be it a small terrace garden, potted plants in the balcony or a full-fledged lawn garden, the gains and benefits are unparalleled. You can create your very own green space to relax in every day. Add colorful flowering plants to make the perfect flower garden on your balcony or lawn. This will also attract beautiful birds and provide an incredible ecosystem for bees that are important for our environment. Gardening can also be a fun group activity if you find like-minded friends. Introduce your children and elders at home to gardening and enjoy the magic of family time gardening. Seeing your garden, you'll most likely attract similar-minded garden lovers in the vicinity, and start interesting new garden projects with them. So, go ahead and create your dream garden and make your lives healthy and colorful. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe.